Whenever a bid is on the weekly specials, you have to be extremely careful because a bid has one product relates to the bid. So this is the Champion Pillow Top, but within the product of the bid, there are multiple variations. Now, only one of the variations is going to be on special. So let's say the Queen base set is on special. So if we go look there, you'll see that the main product is if you take a look, if we look for the product, the main product, if we search the SKU 17870, this is not actually any of the products. It's just the parent product and it has the picture. The sub-products are variations of the product, and they don't have their own picture. They're not their own product. So you can see the sub-products, this variation of the product, its SKU is different to the one that we just entered over here, which was 0. This one's 00 at the end. And you can see that in the products themselves. If we go and search for the product over here, so there it is, the Champion Pillow Top. And if we go into it, you can see all the different variations of the product over here. And if we look for the Queen base set and click here, you'll see there's the SKU of that product. So if they say we must put the Queen base set on sale, what we need to do, if we go back to the products, is we'll need to put a star on that product. So search product. We'll put a star on it in order to add it to the special section of the page. Now once we put a star on, you'll see that it'll come up under the specials page over here. So there it is, the Champion Pillow Top. But really, we're not promoting this, we're promoting the Queen base set. So what we do then is when we do the specials table, so for this we use the main SKU. So you saw over here we searched SKU 17870 and we put a tick on it, and that's what puts it into the special section. But when we do the actual pricing of the bid, then we need to actually use the variation SKU. So if we were to over here insert, we would insert whenever we choose an ID, and if I go look at that variation, that's not actually going to help. Let me just get to the right place on the site. I just don't want to change the price on a live product. So if we go and look at the Queen base set, the one that the Queen base set of the Champion, the Queen base set, the one with this SKU, and we go and look, it says was 5999, now 4999. I'm going to change that by 1 rand just so you can see. So 00, remember, because we're using the SKU of the variation product, and was 5998, now 4998. Let me just check that that is correct. Yes, for the variation, correct. Right, and I'm just going to put example. Obviously, you'll be provided with text for there. I'm going to click go, and I'm going to check that it was actually inserted, and you can see there it is. And now if we go back to the specials page and refresh it, so you'll see that it keeps the picture because the picture's from the right place. And if you click inside, and you can see over here the pricing is correct because we've changed it on the exact variation of the product that we need to change it on. And obviously now I'm just going to remove this because it's not an active special.